Now I'd like to explain you how to rename a data frame. For renaming a data frame, you can use the with column rename function. So let me say renamed columns. This is the new data frame, and I'd like to rename with column renamed. So for example, I'd like to rename trade name to trade underline name. Like I'm using the with column renamed, or for example, I'd like to rename with column renamed by price to by price. This is another renaming, or I'd like to rename another one. You can just write as many as you like sell price to sell underline price. Then let's show these renamed columns. So you can see that this renaming is already applied here. I showed you that you can use the select expression or select together with expr expression to create or select different columns, but here I'd like to show you how you can create new columns. So for example, if I want to define another data frame using the df, you can create custom columns, for example, with this with column. So let me define with this with column function to define a profit column, and then the definition of the column, it would be the sell price minus the column buy price. And also I'd like to create another column with column profit percentage, which is divide the sell price divided by the column buy price. And if I show this profit df, should be able to see these two new columns which are created. So using the with column, you can create a new column, and using the with column rename, you can rename a column.